MIT-WPU's BBA program is focused on providing the right learning experience that help in building a successful career. The exciting chapter of Indian business scenario lies in the startups, which require young and dynamic professionals who can create path-breaking solutions with the experience they have. At MIT-WPU, the experience given to BBA students is holistic. They learn from industry-ready curriculum and a wide array of practical applications that help them gain the right exposure. MIT-WPU students have shown their experience to the world by successfully taking various roles in the top companies of the nation. Your learning is your experience, and it will help you build a rewarding career in the future.